Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you all motions and gestures available on Samsung Galaxy A25 5G. So first of all, we can go to the settings. Let's scroll down and go to advanced features. And over here we have motions and gestures. So we have such options as lift to wake that allows us to turn on the screen when we pick up our phone. We have double tap to turn on and off the screen. We have alert when phone picked up, so your phone will vibrate when you pick it up after missing a call or message. You can also mute incoming calls and alarms by putting your hand over the screen or turning your phone face down. And we also have palm swipe to capture, so we can do this gesture over here like this, so we can palm swipe like that in order to capture the screenshot. Now if we go back, we can also go to multi-window and find additional gestures. We have swipe for split screen. Over here we even have the instruction how it works. So if you tend to use split screen, then you can use it in order to quickly have access to it. We also have the pop-up view here, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!